week I got to learn a very interesting fact. Actually, there's a difference between engineering and engineering technology. All this is part of the project, of our project of exploring all the opportunities in the construction sector. So I sat with Alice Mutai from the Kenya Engineering Technology Registration Board for this interesting conversation. Nabeba hii kitu ndio so that I look clever, so that I fit in. Kumsi anarevise hii kitu, but hata tu he will be with us kwa sababu anarevise bike and we'll be talking to him here. But first, you told me that there's a difference between engineers and technologists and technicians.
A technologist is a holder of a higher diploma, national diploma,
okay,
or a degree,
okay,
in the field of Bachelor of Technology, okay, in either mechanical,
yes,
civil, electrical. Among us, the technician, we have the technician who is above a craft person, and the craft person is above the artisan.
Muko na majina tamu tamu. Wacha ni guess, a craft person ni mtu wa mkono.
Yes.
Anaitwa a craft person. So mtu wa mkono ako, okay, craftsman, sorry. Ako kwa which department of engineering?
Kwa mjengo, ako kwa civil and building.
Sio sedimentary engineering?
Not sedimentary.
Ah.
But in the technicians,
yes,
we will have the technician who holds a diploma,
okay,
certificate.
Okay.
We have a technician who holds a craft certificate.
Yes.
And we have a technician who holds as an artisan certificate.
And what's the advantage of working with certified individuals for someone who's undertaking a construction project?
It is like you are actually marking yourself that you deliver quality service. When we have someone who is not registered, he will do the work and disappear.
Kama ni about disappearing, so you can friend request them on Facebook. Akishafanya job, you know, people who know him unaweza mtafuta.
When you look for him, which is still all right,
yes,
what law will you hold him accountable for? But when he is under or registered under a body like KETRB, yes, then there is the law that can follow him. Compared
na now that you've not graduated, you are kujiamini na project versus when you've graduated. How much would you charge in difference?
The paper gives you the bargaining power. Then also registration comes in importance whereby I can't work for any government project if I'm not registered. Ah. That's against the law.
And what does it take to be registered with KETRB?
They must have academic qualifications.
Okay.
But the government is also moving to the point where practice outside, where we recognize prior learning, and prior learning could be at the site.
Ah,
so
okay, yes,
within a specified period of time, it is accounted for. And because of that accounting, then we'll say you will have covered a certain number of hours working on this, then you are perfecting your skill.
Okay.
Then that one also comes in until at a point where now one can be registered.
Na hapo kwa prior learning, do you have a standard test? Ama someone can hear rumors about what you test for, alafu they practice only that part?
No, they definitely will practice, but they will also, as they do the practice, someone is doing assessment.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Oh, it's not like a one-off thing.
No, it's not a one-off thing. It is not.
Where can these technologies get the registration?
The form can be downloaded from the website.
Yes.
Yes, there is a website, and with that, under the website you get the form. You can also use the email sent to us, especially for this period of COVID, where you don't have to bring the document, the hard copy, to the office.
Over to myself back in studio. Now, all this has been made possible by Habitat for Humanity International, and this is an organization with a long history of promoting affordable and adequate housing across the world. And Habitat has a branch in Tawiliga Center for Innovation in Shelter, and this branch is supporting and promoting housing innovation solutions through market-based approaches. And among the center's programs, Nikama Housing Construction Labor, and this is a program that seeks to improve access to and adoption of quality housing construction services, na hizo ndio hizo services zinakuwa offered na mafundi.